Hey there, my name is Kenya and welcome to our 2020 curriculum theme video series. Today we're going to be talking about incredible edibles. In this theme, campers are going to be learning about food science, when vegetables grow and are in season. Campers will be using different cooking techniques to learn about food chemistry. In our first project, campers will be creating a camper cookbook where they're going to be able to write down all of the different cooking techniques that they've used while they're at camp and be able to write down their own recipes so that they can take them home and redo them when they're at home. In the second project, campers will be learning about seasons and weather. They will be creating a seasonal eating guide to be able to tell them what foods are in season at what time of the year. For our last project, campers will be learning about the plants we eat. They'll be taking different plants or different vegetables and fruit and seeing what part of a plant it actually belongs to, like how broccoli is part of the flower and apple is a fruit and the carrot is part of the root of a plant. If you enjoy doing projects like this and learning more about food, come cook up a good time with us at Incredible Edibles.